Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So in this device I already enabled the battery percentage. Now you can see 41% you can see here. So let me show you how to enable this one on the status bar in this device. For this, simply go to settings, then scroll down, tap on the notification and status bar, then tap on status bar. Then here you can see the option the battery percentage. Tap on this one. Then here you can see some options inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon don't show the percentage. If you select this one, now you can see that is disabled, right? So if you select this one outside the battery icon, now you can see the battery percentage is view outside the battery icon. If you select the option inside the battery icon, now you can see the battery percentage it is display on inside the battery icon, you can see. So simply in this way you can enable the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.